Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get access to Google's new Video AI, VO3, for free. If you've been wanting to try out the new Google V3 AI video generation tool without paying anything, here's how to do it. First, just know that this trick is limited to certain countries and age groups, so it may not work for everyone. Now, I'll be leaving a link in the description. Click on it, and it'll take you to the page where the offer might show up. For me, it says the offer isn't available, but for some people, especially students, it does show up. You might see something like Gemini Pro free for 15 months, if you're eligible. That gives you free access to Gemini Pro, which includes limited use of VO3, no payment required. If that method doesn't work for you, here's another option. Go to your browser and search for Gemini on Google. Click on the first link, then make sure you're logged into your Google account. Now click on the Gemini 2.5 button or banner. You'll see an option to upgrade to Gemini Advanced. Click Upgrade and scroll down. You should see a mention of VO3. It'll say something like, create high-quality video clips with limited access to VO3. Click Get Offer, and you'll get a free 1-month trial. Just cancel before the trial ends so you don't get charged. So those are the two main ways you can try Google's VO3 for free. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the links. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.